Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are checking out a powerful kitchen upgrade that might just replace your traditional oven. The Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 multifunction oven and air fryer. The model number is DT200UK. Let's see what makes this a game changer. This isn't just a countertop oven, it is a 10-in-1 multifunctional powerhouse. From air frying and roasting to baking, grilling, and even making pizza. This oven handles it all. Different dishes being prepared on both levels. With two-level cooking, you can make a full meal in one go. Think roast chicken and crispy potatoes or two oven pizzas at once. No more juggling dishes or using multiple appliances. Just select your cooking function, adjust the time and temperature, and you are set. It even features a digital rack guide that lights up to show the best position for each mode. Thanks to true surround convection, you get fast, crispy, even cooking with no flipping or rotating required. And the air fry mode gives you that crispy texture, a very crispy texture. Say goodbye to long wait. This oven preheats in just 90 seconds and cooks up to 40% faster than a standard fan oven. From fish and chips to Tuscan pork roast, this thing delivers. Cleanups a breeze with the removable crumb tray, and it even comes with a chef created recipe guide to get you started. If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen with serious multifunctionality and speed, the Ninja Foodi DT200UK might just be it. Discover the power of the Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 multifunction oven and air fryer in silver. This large capacity countertop oven features 10 versatile cooking functions, including air fry, roast, whole roast, bake, grill, and many more. With two-level cooking and true surround convection, it delivers fast, crispy, and evenly cooked meal, up to 40% faster than a fan oven. Preheat in just 90 seconds. Cook full family meals in under 30 minutes. Easy touchscreen controls, a digital rack guide, and a removable crumb tray. Make it simple and convenient. Looking at the capacity is 29 litre. It easily cooks a 5.5 kg turkey, 12 inches pizza, and 1.8 kg of air fried ingredients. The internal cooking height is 25 cm. The product dimension, the height is 33.5 for the height and the width is 43.1. And the diameter is 50. What are the different functions and what can they be used for? They can be used for grill, evenly grill meat, fish, and brown the tops of your casseroles. Air fry, foods that would traditionally be fried, such as chicken wings, french fries, and chicken nuggets, with little to no oil added. Whole roast, simultaneously roast large proteins like a 2.25 kg chicken and sides for a complete meal. Evenly bake everything from your favorite cookies to cakes. Cook frozen or homemade pizzas evenly. Toast up to 8 slices of bread to your desired level of darkness. Bagel. Perfectly toast up to 8 bagel halves when they are placed cut side up on the wire rack. Reheat. Heat leftovers without overcooking. Dehydrate your meat, fruits, and vegetables. We recommend to hand wash accessories. The air fryer basket and wire racks can be put in the dishwasher but may wear more quickly over time, so do not place roast tray, oven tray, or crumb tray in the dishwasher. Do I need to add preheating time when setting a cook time? The answer is no. The unit will automatically preheat when using air fry. Whole roast, bake, and pizza. There is no automatic preheat necessary or available when using grill, toast, bagel, reheat, and dehydrate. What is the wattage? 2000 watts to 2400 watts. Does it have a digital display? Yes. Is it at the part dishwasher safe? Yes. Is there a removable cooking pot? No. Does it have a timer? Absolutely yes. This is a multifunctional oven and the capacity is 29 litre and the material is stainless steel. Now, what the box contain? The box contain Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 DT200UK multifunction oven and air fryer. It contains air fryer basket. It contains a roast tray. It contains oven tray. It contains 2 wire racks, and it contains a removable crumb tray. And the total weight is 16.6 kg, and it comes with the manufacturer's warranty of 2 years. Just like I said earlier, the programs it does, it air fries, it bakes, bagel, dehydrates, it grills, it bakes pizza, it reheats, roast, toast. Okay guys, this product deserves your attention. Thank you.